Hello beginners. Many videos of your face retouching will be shown on YouTube, but videos with such detailing will not be shown. So what is the delay in starting? Let's get started. You can see how much detail is there in this image. Today we will remove his acne. First, take a copy of it and set it to vivid light mode. Press Ctrl+I to invert. We will have to go to the filter and from there to others to take high pass. Then you can adjust it as per your requirement. In the last step, going to blur and then Gaussian blur, but I think there is no need of blurring in it. Here you will not know where to use blur. After this, on top of this layer, we will take a layer mask and use it inverted. Because we are using the layer mask to remove acne, we will touch only those places where there is main acne. This will not remove the entire acne, but the small spots that are there will be removed. Now you can see the difference in how much the small spot of acne has been destroyed. So now we have to remove the big acne. For this first, you will have to convert the layers into main and shortcut Ctrl+E. Then we will have to take the patch tool and select the acne spot and replace it with a clean area. It will blend automatically. So same you have to follow the process. After removing this acne, you can see the result. Everything has changed. It looks so clean. So with bonus point, we will show you how you can convert a simple image to HD. First, you will have to take a copy of your image, and then we will set it in hard light mode. Same process as we have shown before. Once in your filter, you will have to make a high pass on others, and it will have to be adjusted according to you. It is up to you how much depth you have kept. We have put the two layers together as a group. Now you can see the difference, how it was before or how it is now. I hope you like this video. If you are happy with it, then please like it. See you some other day with a new video. Bye-bye.